Welcome everyone, welcome wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on an Amazon wig for about 22, I think 22 online. I will put it in the link below. Also I'm going to show you the picture of how it actually looks on Amazon for you to compare the wig with what I take out of the package and try on for you guys. As you can see, I already went ahead and put, what you call this thing, man? This stocking thing on my head, the cap on my head. This wig is from Atas wig on Amazon. Let me show you. This it also comes with the cap as well in it. I have one. This cap is from the first one I did, and this one came with its own cap as well, which is good. I guess all of them come with a cap, so you don't have to worry about crap, which part of my cap. Like my Nikon then package it, and it has like a board around it as well. And this is what it says on the package: made in China. Pretty much all of the wig, especially on Amazon, it's so cheap. Made in China. So this one says Atas wig. That's from the maker. Kinky curly afro wig, 22-inch long. That's what it says on here. Yes. Chair. You okay? Alright. Okay, so let's take it out and see it look. So this one come with this thing here. It also come, yes Leo, sorry, my son. Yes? Huh? Okay. I don't even know what he's talking about right now. It has the protector over it. Like that. That's good. All wigs supposed to come with that on it. The first thing I noticed with this wig, this thing won't come out of my fingers. First thing I noticed with this wig, I don't know if you can see it, but the trimming, like when they cut the hair, you can see it sticking up right here. Like you literally can see it, like them just gluing the top, and you see them clip up here. So I don't really like that. I'm not impressed with that. I'm not saying that it's supposed to be perfect. Well, it's supposed to be, but for $22 on Amazon, I guess you pay for what you get. Also come with the paper inside of it. Let's see if this one has clip on it, the clipping or the comb where you stick in or something. Okay, so this one doesn't have any clip at the side, at the front or the other side either. It just has the bun at the back for you to adjust the size. So this is how the wig looks from afar. Hopefully you can see it properly. Leah, stop.
Stop.
I'm doing something. When I'm finished, I'll call you back, okay?
No, don't.
Here, just take piece and go sit. Oh, my finger is stuck. Okay, go over there. Leo, go, man. I'm making a video. You know me, I try my best to hurry up before you wake up. I was trying. Okay, you know what? Let me give you something. Okay, so this is how it looks without you teasing out. Let me see if I can back up for you to show, for you to see. Without you tease out the curls. Some of the curls kind of knot up. Overall, compared to the last one that I ordered, I love this curly one actually. I love this curly one. And yeah, the black look nice too, so I am going to try it on and then let's see how it actually look on me. Alright, just wait, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so put it on. I didn't need to up the straps in, probably wearing it I'll probably do that. I didn't even take out the tag thing off it. Right, so this is what I have about it, and it's the same thing I had, the same problem that I had with the last one I purchased. Keep on a look over here on the screen and not you on the left. Sorry about that. Yes, this is the problem that I have. Right up in here, let me even look into the mirror at the same. Right in here is the problem I have. Before I thought it was my hair, but no, it's not my hair. It's not my hair the problem. It's the wig is the problem, right? Up here it's bulky. If you can see, up here is bulky. Let me see if I can turn it slant way. Right here is bulky. Like, come on, man. Me try to bring it down. Me try to pull it back. It's the same thing. I mean, I like it. Anyway, me have to tease it up to really see if, how the wig look. Obviously, me not gonna just wear it like this. Me wouldn't just wear it like this. But me have to tease it up to see how it look. Me really love the curl. Me really love how it feel. It has more body. I'm a curly hair wig type of person. So, you know, this it feels good, right? It has a lot of body to it for the price, and the look is it's similar to the picture. You just have to kind of tease it up, as I say. Okay guys, now come back. We're trying to tease up, we just kind of tease up the front for you guys to see it. This is how the back look. I don't know if you can see the back properly. That's how the back look. The back needs to tease up some more. Kind of going over it with the center. I can't do much with the center. Like if I try to go up some more or try to bring it up some more, then again I don't really do anything to my baby hair, as everybody I don't nowadays, like brushing with gel and stuff like that. I didn't go into that. We just kind of try to tease it up because I want this video to be short, and this is how it look, kind of tease out the front part. You can tease it out some more if you want to, but I do love the curl. But my biggest thing is up here, and if I try to put the hair a certain way, it show the I forgot what they call the part that they sew in or glue in here, the track. Yeah, they show the track, and I don't want that. I don't want that to be showing. So this is how it really look. I do love the curl. The mirror just fall. I do love the curl. I love how it feel. It feels so much. Thank you, baby.
No, take it.
Are you gonna hold it? Okay, thank you. So it says he's gonna hold the mirror for me. Thank you. So you know, I do love the feel compared to the other one. This feels so much better, feels so soft, and you know, you can just kind of work with it. You can work with it. For me though, because of the top part and how everything feel up here, so because of the little bulk right here, I probably wear this like a church type of thing. Just put a drop of hat on it and just kind of cover up in here, because thank you, baby. Because I'm not working with this. Me no really like how the top part look, and how it, if I'm trying to style it a certain way, make the track. We can see the track. But yes, but this is my review on my second Amazon wig I bought online. I do love the curl though. The curl are very tight, and because when I'm trying to loosen some of the curl and try to just tease it out, it kind of start to get knot. It start to get knot up, and you know, me start to get miserable about it. But yeah, as I said, this wig is for $22 on Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link below. So if you can work something out with this, by all means, go ahead and purchase it. You know, it's good. It has a few review. I guess people work somewhere around it, but I do have an idea of how to kind of fix it. Probably I need some more time with it and kind of just adjust it to my style. But yeah, and this is my review for my second Amazon purchase of. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Remember to subscribe, and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video again. Also remember to hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. Later.